Perfect!
Good morning, guys. So after 8 hours of traveling by land and 2 hours by boat, we're finally here in Calaguas Island in Camarines Norte. Actually, it's my first time solo traveling, pero not technically solo traveling. Pero if you've seen my previous videos, makita nyo na I travel with my college friends, high school friends, or family. But for this trip, I'll be traveling with some friends I met online. Little storytelling muna tayo. Kasi every break, me and my friends always plan vacation or getaway. Since 10 days lang yung break namin ngayon, kakatapos na kasi ng finals kahapon. And may classes na ulit on September 10. Hindi namin na-plan. So, I was looking for fellow vloggers na G, na mag-collab or something, na mag-travel together. So, chinat ko si Sandy. And so, surprisingly, G siya. So, in-invite niya ako dito sa Calaguas Island. So yeah, G naman ako kasi tapos na yung finals ko. So ito nga pala yung mga kasama ko. Si Angel, si Mahon, say hi, and si Sandy.
Perfect!
So natulog lang kami buong umaga and kumain ng lunch. Tapos now, it's 3 p.m. and mag-island hopping kami. Paano mag-island hop?
Ginagawa mo!
Funny tong si Angel eh. Sobrang lakas ng hangin and I'm not sure kung makapagpalipad ako ng drone kasi nakakatakot. Let's see. Hi dog! So dito na kami sa first stop. Actually ito lang ata for the island hopping. It's ano lang, parang 5 minutes away from the main island. Nakita pa namin yung main island from here. And sabi nila, maganda daw yung view dito. It's like Batanes daw. Dali, island hop! Angel!
Ginagawa mo! Bumaba kami para makakuha ng malupit na drone shot kasi ang lakas ng hangin sa taas. Galing kami dyan. Now we're down here. Papagbatot ng drone. Yay! Buhay! Kala ko masisira siya.
What's up everyone? I'm taking over Paul's camera, so just taking photos. So ayan. Vlogger photos.
So guys, ngayon ko lang natutunan na may autofocus pala tong camera ko. Si Sandy naka-discover. Oh my god, akala ko all this time wala siyang autofocus. Kasi dati, akala wala siyang autofocus. So minamanual kong kinakalikot yung lens every time mag-video ako. So ngayon, pabalik na kami sa mainland. So we're now back here in the mainland. It's almost 5 p.m. ata. That's mga 6 p.m. mag-dinner na kami. I'll show you kung saan kami matutulog. Kasi it's gonna be my first time to camp. So yeah, we'll just stay here in this tent. Kasi ito yung kubo namin. We'll stay for the night. And then tomorrow morning, magte-trek kami mga 5:30 yata. And since di na mahangin, papaliparin ko ulit yung drone.
Find me where the wild are. Just find me where the wild things are.
Mavic Air meets Mavic Pro. So, itong Mavic Pro kay Mahon to.
We're just chilling here sa aming munting kubo. Ba't dito ka nagsha-shampoo, Angel? Good morning. So day 2 here in Calaguas Island. And it's 6 AM tapos paakyat kami ng bundok. Actually, nasa island din tapos mag-trek lang kami for like 20 minutes daw to get a better view of the island or yung mga katabi niyang island. So let's see if pwede rin makakuha ng drone shots. Puro drone shots tong vlog natin.
Because I'm doing this for the thrill of it, killing it, never not chasing a million things I want. And I am only as young as the minute is full of it, getting pumped up on the little bright things I want. But I know they'll never own me.
And that's it for my Calaguas vlog. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.
Take a look, ayy. I'm a bar spitter, I'm a hard hitter. Yeah, I'm light skinned, but I'm still a dark nigga. I'm a wig splitter, I'm a tall figure. I'm a unforgiving, wild ass dog nigga. Something wrong with him, got him all bitter. I'm a bill printer, I'm a grave digger.